All right. Yogurt. Not really measuring. Self-raising flour. Now, because this is Greek yogurt, it's thicker. So I am going to add a little bit of water to it just to thin out the yogurt a bit so you're not using as much yogurt. So about that much. So give it a bit of a stir and see how you go with the consistency. Because at the moment, it's coming together really kind of soft. So that is going to need more flour. Now, as I said, this is a beautiful dough. 2 ingredients, 3 with the water. Once it comes together,
would you say you're going for about 50% yogurt to 50% self-raising flour?
probably a little bit more flour than yogurt because it will be really soft. Like, it's a beautiful soft dough, and I may even need to add more flour to this because it's still really, really soft and wet.
And you don't want it to be too wet. You want it
No.
to be not dry, but you want it to not stick to your hands.
Yeah. This is pretty good. It's still a little bit moist, but not. No, you can't work with it. Now, I like to get about 8. So I steal a little bit from each one. And now roll them in nice little balls. And make sure you got plenty of flour because it will stick. We make these for when we do souvlaki. Make them a bit thicker so they're really soft, and you know how you get that beautiful souvlaki bread from the souvlaki places, and that's what it's like. So next is rolling out the dough. Now you will need to keep flour on the bread and on the rolling pin. Now, not everyone takes a rolling pin camping. If you've got a wine bottle, use that. Plenty of things you can substitute. I'm going to shake the flour off and put it over here. Bit of oil. Look how beautiful that is. Little air pocket. And you just wait till it does rise up like that and it starts to brown on the bottom. And I mean slightly brown like that. Look at that. Tell me, is that not the easiest bread you could ever make? Alright. So, usually put a little bit more oil each one that you do. Shake off your flour. Beautiful. And then, with that. So there you go. How easy is that? Pita bread, naan bread, pizza dough, whatever you want to use it for. Really, you could even roll it out, chuck some choc chips, jam, whatever you want to fill it with, and then roll it up. You could do sweet or savoury scrolls. Like, this dough is just so versatile. And look how easy.